Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to guide you on how can you recover your WhatsApp business account. So in order to recover your WhatsApp business account, you need to follow this simple steps. So what you need is WhatsApp business account recover depends on the issue. So common scenarios include recovering a banned account or compromised account or chat history or data after a new installed or a new phone. So what you want to do is if you want to recover if your account has been banned for violating the WhatsApp terms of service, you will see a message in the app itself. So basically, the primary method is to request a review in the app when the ban notice appear, and you can provide details to support your case as well. And if the in-app option is unavailable or reviewed is denied, you can contact WhatsApp support directly through the website contact, or if you're using the WhatsApp business platform, then the review can be requested through a Meta Business Suite or WhatsApp Manager itself. Next, if your account has been compromised or if you suspect someone else is using your account, you could open WhatsApp Business, enter your phone number in a full international format, and request a 6-digit verification code via SMS or call. Then you can entering the code automatically, lost out any other device using your account as well. And if prompted for a two-step verification pin that you don't know, it may have been set by the hacker, and you will have to wait for 7 days to regain the access without the pin. So this way you should be able to recover your WhatsApp business account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.